there, welcome to Kids Princess Show, and today you can see here the Barbie doll set, and here I'm going to show you what Barbie dolls use and what accessories they use for their makeup. You can see here the lipstick, the dressing table, the hair blower, the mobile, and her beautiful home. So this is the Barbie doll's purse, and let's check it out what is in her purse. My gosh, a lot of cool stuff. Her bracelet, beautiful bracelet, then her hairband, then her finger rings, and there's two finger rings, then her another finger ring, and one more pink color finger ring, what else, another pink color finger ring. I think Barbie likes so much rings. Her small juice bottle, and what else, small plate, and you can see here the Barbie doll's lipstick. Arranging here everything. Her small bag, one bag Barbie doll is carrying here. This is the Barbie doll's bag here, and she's carrying, there's another Barbie doll bag, pink bag here, and this is her body lotion, her powder, and small comb. By this, Barbie dolls make her ears in her beautiful home. I hope you enjoy this cute. Let's see the Barbie doll's home. It's a beautiful pink color window, and the three Barbie dolls are here. One is wearing pink color beautiful dress, one is blue color, and one is green and purple color. And it's a beautiful Barbie doll home. And here are the accessories, her bracelet, her finger rings, her cosmetics. Thank you for watching.